Now, question number 5. Question number 5 says a school has an enrollment of 630 Chinese students, 120 foreign students, and 60 Malay students. Find the ratio of foreign students to Chinese students to Malay students. So at first, we need to find out the ratio in that way. So foreign student is to Chinese student, Chinese is to Malay. So look, how many foreign students are there? 120. How many Chinese students are there? 630. How many Malay students are there? 60. Now we need to convert this to simplest form. At first, we are dividing each one by 10. So it is 12 is to 63 is to 6. Now divide each one by 3 because 1 plus 2, 3 can be divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, 9 can be divisible by 3. So each one is divisible by 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 63 by 3 is 21. And 6 by 3 is 2. So answer will be 4 is to 21 is to 2. Now question number 6. Question number 6 says a man earns $1,200. That means this is his income. And spends $450 and this is his expenditure. So we can write income of a man is $1,200 and expenditure is $450. Now we need to find out the ratio. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says his income to his expenditure. So income is to expenditure. Income is $1,200. Expenditure is $450. Now convert into lowest term. Because ratio always will be expressed in its lowest term or simplest form. 1200 and 450 both can be divisible by 10. So it will be 120 is to 45. Divide both 1 by 5. Then it will be 5 2s are 10. We have 220, 5 4s are 20. And 5 9s are 45. Then again 24 and 9 both can be divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. So this is the ratio of his income to expenditure. Now we need to find out his savings to his income. To find out the savings, we know that we need to subtract expenditure from income. So income minus expenditure will be saving. So 1200 minus 450, that will be $750 is savings of his income. So we can say $750 will be his savings. Now we need to find out the ratio. Savings to income. So what is the savings? 750. What is the income? 1200. So 750 is to 1200. Now cancel both 1 by 10. So it will be 75 is to 120. Now divide each one by 5. Then 5 15 is 75. And 5 2 is 10. 5 24 is 120. Again divide 15 and 24 both by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 20. And that is the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 says 3 people A, B, C share $416 among themselves. A receives $169. B receives actually $156 and C receives the remaining amount. That means 416 minus 169 plus 156. So 416 minus 6 plus 9 is 15. We have 1. 12. We have 1. So 3. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. 2. That means 9. We have 1. That is $91. We can easily say C will receive $91. Now we need to find out the ratio. So ratio of A, B, C will be 169 is to 156 is to 91. Now convert to simplest form. we can divide each one by 13. So at first 13 13 ja 169, 13 12 ja 156, and 13 7 ja 91. And this is the simplest form of this ratio. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says the interior angles of a quadrilateral are 40, 60, 120, and 140. Find the ratio of these angles according to the order given. So by using the same order, we can say 40 degree is to 60 degree is to 120 degree is to 140 degree. Now divide each one by 10. It will be 4 is to 6 is to 12 is to 14. Now divide each one by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. So what is the ratio right now? 2 is to 3 is to 6 is to 7. So in this quadrilateral, the interior angles ratio are 2 is to 3 is to 6 is to 7. Now, question number 9. Question number 9 says the sides of two squares are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So find the ratio of their areas and their perimeter. Look, in a square, we know that all sides are equal. So in this square, if one side is 4, then every side will be 4. In a square of 6, if one side is 6, then each side will be 6. Okay. Now, we need to find out the area of each one. So what will be the area of this square? Area of first square will be 4 square. 4 into 4, that means 4 square. Okay. 16 centimeter square. What is the area of this one? Area of this part, that means will be length into breadth, 6 into 6, that means 6 square. Okay, 6 square, that is 36. Now, ratio. What will be the ratio of their areas? Ratio will be 16 is to 36. Now, divide both one by 2. Then it will be 8 is to 18 to the 36. Again, divide 8 and 18 both by 2. 2 4 are 8 and 2 9 are 18. Now we need to find out their perimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter actually represents the boundary line. So here we can see that the boundary line will be 4 4 4 4. So if we add this 4 4 4 4, then it will be their perimeter. Okay. So it will be 16. Or we can also say in this way, since in a square, all sides are equal, so perimeter will be 4 multiplied by length of each side. So 4 into 6, that is 24. We can use any method to find out the perimeter of the squares. Now we need to find out the ratio right now. So ratio will be 16 is to 24. Now divide both one by 8. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 24. And that is the answer of question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10 says, the table below shows how 117 people travel to work. So here already this one is given. So we need to find out the ratio of people who use taxi to MRT train to bus to car. 9 people are using taxi. 21 people are using MRT train, 72 people are using bus, and 15 people are using car. So if I want to find out their ratio, that means taxi is to MRT train is to bus is to car. So we can say taxi, how many people are there? 9. How many people are using MRT train, metro rail train? That will be 21. 72 people are using bus, so 72 represent bus, and 15 people are representing car. Okay, now converting to simplest form. Here, if we look at it, 2 plus 1, 3, divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 9, divisible by 3. 1 plus 5, 6, divisible by 3. So each one is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, we have 1, 12, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. So 3 is to 7 is to 24 is to 5 will be the final answer of this Probably. So what is the ratio of people who use taxi to MRT train to bus to car? That will be 3:7:24:5. Okay. I hope you understand this one. Bye-bye.